So you're able to see the slides?
No, not yet.
Yes. Yes, yes, it
Yes,
is.
now it is there.
Okay.
Sweep camp.
Uh,
Yes, it is there.
Good afternoon to all the jury members. Myself, Vikas Chetri, Circle Officer attached. So I'm here on behalf of District Administration to present before your presentation on Gulf Kachar under sweep. So actually, during this election, this was an initiative taken by the District Administration for voter awareness, keeping in mind the Gulf Kachar theme, which is its essence and the rich history of Kachar district, and also linking the theme of voter awareness with the diversity, culture, and uniqueness of Kachar district. And also our logo was made keeping this in mind, which shows Khaspur as the center of attraction, which is also the last capital of the Kachari kingdom, and also the famous archaeological and famous tourist spot. Our main objective was it has got the dual purpose. First and foremost is the encouraging and participating all eligible citizens so that they can make the decision during election, and also because of this grandeur project, which we want to bring out a sense of pride among the citizens regarding the cultural heritage and the uniqueness and the diversity of our Kachar district, and by putting that pride, instilling a sense of responsibility to vote as the proud citizens of Kachar residents. So we have got various activities conducted under Garh Kachar theme, in which we have celebrated the cultural heritage of Kachar. First and foremost is the launching of the logo and mascot. That was done on the 26th of February this year only. And next was the longest street art that was done by the District Administration Kachar, which was about 8.18 kilometer long, which is also entered into the India Book of Records. And next comes the project Garh Kachar, in which we have recognized the heritage site, which was remain aloof to many of the people out there at Kachar. Similarly, we have covered various activities.
Please move your slides. You are not moving your.
So I'm moving, sir.
Please move your slides.
It is. Is it still showing the first slide?
Sir, is it showing?
On which slide you are?
No, it's only on the first slide.
Activities conducted, sir. I mean, activities conducted.
No, it's not.
No. No, it is not. Moving.
So wait a minute, sir.
First, let's know what is this sweep.
Sir, actually, SWEEP is it's an acronym of Systematic Voters and Electoral Participation, sir, in which we try to make the people regarding their voting awareness right, and also to participate in the largest democratic election. That means to come and to vote so that we can increase the largest voter turnout in the district, sir. Sir, is it showing activities conducted?
Nothing. Only first slide. Sweep we are able to see.
Okay, sir, please wait a minute, sir. I think it's
To move it. Huh?
Sir, it is working over here. I don't know why it's not working, sir.
Sir, it's okay. We'll continue the presentation.
You continue, please.
Okay, so now also we have performed various activities to cover different section of the society, in which we have targeted the women population, the young population, also the PWD voters, and also the senior citizens. Similarly, we have covered various activities in various regions of the district, in which we have traveled to border areas through our Mockpol Express, and also to various activities such as Sand Art Festival, Kite Festival, boat racing festivals, etc. So here comes the glimpses of the logo and the mascot that I shared in the PPT. So in the logo, you can see the basic importance that we have given is of this Khaspur capital, in which we have written "Let's Vote Garh Kachar," and also on the left-hand side we can see the mascot that we have launched on the 26th of February this month only. It was done in a digital platform, actually, sir. Our Deputy Commissioner Kachar has inaugurated the logo and the mascot. And also during that particular program, we have also felicitated the Safai Karmacharis it's because they have rendered their services during the COVID pandemic period. So we have given felicitation and also given the Gulf Kachar badges to them. So these are the unique activities that we have performed under Gulf Kachar theme, sir. Next comes,
Sir, are the images?
sir, are the
visible?
images visible, sir? Now?
No, nothing.
Yes, now it is. Now it is.
Okay, sir. So,
This
sir,
slide number 5 now.
okay, sir. So this is the sir, logo and the mascot
Slide
that
number.
we have done. Yes, sir. Sir, next comes the Rangoli. Sir, this is one of the giant project that has been taken by the district administration. And also we can, as you can see on the first picture.
Click on the next slide. You click on the click on the second, you will be-
Sir, is it coming now?
We are able
No,
to.
you
see
have
on
not
the
clicked
screen.
on the next slide so far.
Move the slide.
Sir, we are
On the
moving.
slide.
If you are not able to move, it is okay from our side. You just speak.
Okay, sir.
Ah,
Please,
you are on
now
which
you've gone to
slide?
slide number.
Sir, Rangoli slide is showing over here. Is it shown over?
कितना number है? 7 number?
No,
No,
6
it's
number.
slide five.
Slide number 6, sir. I mean slide number 6.
Yes, I think you are right. पता नहीं भाई, नहीं, it's not that. We are seeing 5.
Sir,
Now it is okay.
Not
Rangoli,
clicking on the slide.
Yes, sir,
Rangoli,
I'm-
Rangoli.
yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. So as you can see on the first picture, our Deputy Commissioner, Madam, has also participated in the Rangoli event. And this is the longest Rangoli all over India. And also it has entered into the India Book of Records. And in that particular project, almost 1,500 SAG members, including Omen, youth, NSS, NCC, various students have participated. And also in that particular event, we have also given them a platform in which they can write the important slogans that they can write regarding water awareness. Various social messages were also written on them. So now the thing is that like it has become a it has become a hotspot and also a tourism spot for many people to come and to look into that particular projects. So it has become a pride of Kachar, sir. Right. That the thing is that it has also entered in the India Book of Records, and now it has also become a pride of Kachar, sir.
So the idea of this is to what? To create awareness.
Yes, sir, to create voting awareness, sir, among the people. So by indulging the students and all the Omen volunteer, all the Omen SAG members over there, so we are trying to create a base so that people come and look into it or to look at the messages that is being written over there regarding voter awareness, and also various social messages were also written over there. So the hype that we want to create before election was to create the thing is that like to come and see the people regarding the voting awareness, right, sir?
Okay.
Next comes the Gulf Kachar project, sir. Sir, in Kachar we have various cultural heritage buildings which is being aloof, and many people are unaware of that particular buildings and all. So what district administration has done is that we have given recognition to this heritage site by installing a plaque, that means a glowing board sign in which we have written the establishment of that particular building, and also one write-up was given regarding that particular building, when was it established, regarding the information regarding the particular building was being installed on that particular buildings over there at Kachar, sir. So these are some of the images, sir. Yes, you can see that the railway stations, this is the school that was being installed during the British period. So all these plaques are being installed over the particular places. Sir, also we have covered various activities covering different section of the society, in which one project was there. In which we have targeted the Omen population. The name of the project was Project Panorani, sir, in which we aim to provide sanitary pads to the Omen by taking plastic waste from them, and these plastic waste are collected by the Solid Liquid and Resource Management, and the revenue generated out there will be used to provide sanitary pads to the Omen. Similarly, a VoteG app was also launched regarding voting awareness, which is based on the which is a point-based gamification system, where on completing various tasks like quiz related activities, attending election related events, visiting polling booths with photographs attached in it. The user will receive points, and the highest user will get felicitation by the district administration. Similarly, e-rickshaw facility was also taken up by the district administration to ensure smooth transportation of senior citizens to and fro polling booth on the polling date. It is on the 1st of April 2021 in Kachhar. The senior citizens are basically retired personals who are either living alone or suffering from mobility issues. And it is a proud moment for us, sir, that more than 100 senior citizens were served on the polling day through a well-defined system set up by the district administration with voluntary help from the e-rickshaw association, who considered that this was a national duty and they have participated. And also to the senior citizens, felicitation was given through Uttariya, and they also have participated in the largest electoral democracy festival that was being conducted on 1st of April, sir. Next comes, sir. Also, we have covered various activities throughout the regions of district, in which a mock poll express was also being launched, which covered all the 7 LACs of our district, the remote interior villages, in which the people are unaware about the EVM machines and all. So we have gone through that particular district and make the people aware regarding the voter rights. Similarly, our Deputy Commissioner Madam has also traveled to various border areas in which various health camp was also organized. And apart from that, voting awareness rights regarding the voting, that was also explained to them. Also, Kachhar has a tradition of kite festival and boat festivals, sand art festivals also being organized, in which various peoples have participated. And also on that particular event, we have sensitized the people regarding voting awareness and also. So these are some of the glimpses of the projects that we have done, sir. Sir, next come the challenges that we have faced, sir. Sir, first challenge was the budgetary constraints. Sir, this was the program. This was the entire 1-month program, sir. We have started from 26th of February and we have completed it on 31st of March, sir. So it was a long 1-month program. So some of the budgetary constraints that we have faced, but however, this was being solved through the sponsorship from various organizations and associations such as Merchant Association, Tea Organization. In the Rangoli Festival, we have seen the Tea Association has come up. All the organizations have come up with open arms and they have helped the district administration. And because of that, we have achieved with flying colors. And also because of that, also we have entered into the India Book of Records, sir. Similarly, sir, sensitization among the grassroots level, sir. Sir, as because we are celebrating each and every day, 1-1 program was organized in every day, so it was impossible. It was like a tough task for us to accumulate the people. However, this was solved through formation of this local groups, National Yuva Kendra organization, educational departments like ASA Anganwadis, who accumulated the people during the program and all. Similarly, after organizing the program to publicize the activities, it was also a very important task for us, which was held through a dedicated media group who come up and write the articles related to it and flash it in the social media and all. And because of that, we have gained a lot of appreciation. Also, unique microplan activities was much more important. So delegations of activities to each and every organization, to each and every functionaries was done by the district administration. And because of that, we have, this also helped us a lot, sir. Next comes. Sir, in terms of excellence, sir, we have created history actually by creating the longest street Rangoli. And also you can Google it in the internet that we have entered into the India Book of Records, which has also now become a tourism spot. Similarly, the heritage building, which was aloof, now it has got
already covered this. You have told
Yes.
us these things, no? E-rickshaw.
Okay,
Go
sir.
ahead, go ahead.
So in terms of
Right.
future, so this is the last slide of mine. So in terms of future process, we have already instilled a sense of the slogan that Amar Kachhar Gar Kachhar has entered into the minds of the citizens, and also it has created a sense of pride. And with this unique identity project, it has also created a base for future tourism projects for the heritage circuit. And also a new tourism spot has also been created at the world's longest Rangoli site. So with this, I end my presentation. Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Just tell me one thing. This is your effort to create more voters, in fact, to increase your voter list, no?
Yes, sir.
So can you just share some data as to with your this campaign or this effort, how many people you can bring in as new additional voters?
Sir, this time the voter turnout has come out.
What
into
is the,
Sir, already our election process are over and also the voter turnout has come out. So it has come out to around 78.18%, sir.
Hmm.
So 78.7, sir.
compared to the previous?
First
Pardon,
thing is, do all your population, I mean eligible population is having a voter card?
Yes, sir, almost
That is a main point. And how many of them are really voting? These are the two issues. Campaign should
No.
lead to these things, no?
okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
What is the change?
Sorry, you are not audible, sir.
My question is, what is the change in the voting pattern compared to the previous election?
sir, what we have seen is that in remote areas, so the aim of the campaign was a dual-fold thing. First, to ensure voter participation, to increase the voter participation. Second, to create a base for future tourism and cultural opportunities in Kachar district by creating an idea of Garh Kachar in the minds of voters. Sir, in terms of voting percentage, what we have seen is that voting in remote areas. So if we see remote PSS, so there is a circle, there is a tehsil called Katigora, which falls in the border of Bangladesh. So there were many such PSS where local education departments and Nehru Yuva Kendra, etc., were engaged to ensure maximum voter participation. They went home to home and they conducted local programs. They conducted local programs and various Nukkad Nataks, Manipuri dances, etc., were organized. Sir, we have seen that in Katigora Tehsil, the voter turnout has come to be 85.71%, sir, which is among the highest in the state, sir. So that has created impacts not only
Compared to the previous, say, the impact is to be comparing with the previous election. What was the voting percentage? And then only we can see that yes, there is appreciation.
Sir, you're not audible, sir. I'm unable to hear.
My question is, standalone and what is the voting percentage in this election?
So voting percentage in this election is 78.7%. So there is a slight increase in voting
And
percentage.
in the
Sorry, sir.
that's what I want to know. Any specific impact?
Sir, I'm
This
sir, unable to hear exactly. Sir, what I have got out of your question is that you wanted a comparison of the voting percentage, sir. Sir, this
Yes.
time,
yes.
sir, yes, sir, the voting percentage this time came out to be 78.7%. Sir, there's a slight increase in voting percentage. Last time it was nearly 78.5%. So in terms of increase, it is slight.
2%.
Yes, sir. So, but if we see आपका remote areas and आपका the vulnerable population, that is the elderly population, Kachar has also the highest number of postal ballots. So, if we see, so postal ballots were organized for 80% PWD population. So, because of those campaigns, because of the remote campaigns like आपका Mock Poll Express, by organizing the local groups to delegating work to them. Including the macro activities which were organized on district-wide level like Rangoli, that impact was mostly seen in some remote areas.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can go to next one.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.